Anyway folks, welcome back. It's day 14 for opening the old calendar. Postcode lorry and the chalk calendar, not sponsored by. So let's see what's on the day 14 of the old chalk calendar from the pound shop. So what we got today, day 14. Here we go. There you go, open it up, have a look. Put that down, stay. And we've got a snowman. It looks like he's sticking up a finger like that. So yeah, a snowman sticking up a finger. Thank you very much. Here we go, the old postcode lottery. See what's on day 14. New door. Open it up. It looks like a couple of people have just gone out to do their shopping. Anyway, Royal Voluntary Services made over 300,000 calls to vulnerable and isolated people during the pandemic. Royal Voluntary Services. Well, at least some royals are doing something, or royal service people, voluntary people, are doing something instead of disappearing and not putting their fingers out. But yeah, at least they're helping out, which is good. New cracker. Here we go. Let's see what's under the old cracker today. It didn't pop. Twats. We don't need that, do we? No. Right, hat for the twat stickers, and we don't need that, do we? No, we don't. We've got the same stickers from yesterday. They are the bear sleeping and holding a present, so that can go there. The hat for the twats, exactly the same as yesterday's. There you go, have one of those. Yeah, twats, stay. And we got the joke of the day. Here we go. What noise does a footballer's breakfast make? What noise does a footballer's breakfast make? Snap, tackle and pop. It's original, never heard that one before. Anyway, we'll be watching out the big-headed twat opening the postcode lottery and chocolate the over in the pound shop. You'll be watching my channel 4K eyebrow. See you tomorrow, day 15 tomorrow. See you later.
Merry Christmas, you filthy animal.